Welcome to Achievers Academy. So we are continuing the video series of discussing other UPSC exam questions like your CDS, CISF, CAPF and EPFO. Previously, we have discussed questions from your CDS and CIPF. Today, we will continue this lecture by discussing other exams. So let us discuss the question from IAS exam 2021, that is engineering service exam. In this question number 48, they are asking, consider the following statement with respect to the schemes initiated by Government of India in 2020. Statement 1, NISTHA is a teacher training program. Statement 2, Swanidhi is a scheme to facilitate artisans to access affordable working capital loan. Statement 3, Satyabhama is a scheme to promote research and development in science and technology. Statement 4, Manodarpan is a scheme to promote tourism in rural parts of India. The correct answer is option A, that is 1 and 3 only. Let us discuss about all these schemes in bit detail. Okay, so first, this NISTA scheme, that is National Initiative for School Heads and Teacher Holistic Advancement. It was launched by HRD Minister and it aims to improve learning outcomes at elementary level. So how it will improve? By giving proper training to your teachers. So NISTA is the largest teachers training programs of its kind in the world. So it is not only the largest teachers training program in India, but also it is the largest teacher training program in the world. And the objective is to motivate and equip teachers to encourage and foster critical thinking in students. PM Swanidhi scheme. It was launched by your Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, that is MOHUA, and it aims for providing affordable loans to street vendors, not to the artisans. Okay, the Satyabhama scheme, it was launched by Ministry of Mines with the aim to promote research and development in the mining and mineral sector. And this Manodarpan, it was released by your MHRD and it aimed to provide psychological support to student, family members, teachers for their mental health and well-being during your COVID-19 period. So if we see the statements, then statement 1 and 3 are correct. Next is your EPFO exam 2021. So in this 38 number question, they are asking, according to the Economic Survey 2020-21, which one of the following will be India's real GDP growth in year 2021-22? Option A 9%, option B 11%, option C 13%, option D 15%. The correct answer is option B, that is your 11%. Which one of the following is not a correct description of Namami Gange program? Option A, it is an initiative of Ministry of Jal Shakti. Option B, it primarily covers villages in states of UP, Bihar, Odisha. Option C, it aims to make villages on the banks of river Ganga open defecation free. It aims to transform some villages on the banks of river Ganga as Ganga Grams. So the correct answer is option B. So in this Namami Gange project, they are trying to improve the condition of Ganga river and adjoining areas of Ganga river. It was launched by your Ministry of Jal Shakti. Okay. As you can see, the data provided. The program is being implemented by National Mission for Clean Ganga, and it aims. It was a flagship scheme under your union government, and it is trying to accomplish the twin objective of effective abatement of pollution and conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. Question number 78. Which one of the following is not an objective under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana? Option A, providing subsidies to use fertilizer, high yielding varieties and pesticides. Option B, to achieve convergence of investments in irrigation at the field level. Option C, expand cultivable area under assured irrigation. Option D, improving on farm water and use efficiency. The correct answer is option A, providing subsidies to use fertilizer, high yielding varieties and pesticides. So what is this PMKSY? Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. It was implemented in 2015 by your Agriculture Ministry. It aims to improve irrigation coverage, reduce water wastage of water, and to achieve this aim, it has 4 pillars like your accelerated irrigation benefit program, watershed development, your Har Khet Ko Pani, that means providing your drip irrigation. The drip irrigation is per drop more drop, and your Har Khet Ko Pani, that means providing water facility or the irrigation facility to all the lands. So it has the aim to increase the capacity of plant by providing proper irrigation facility. It does not aim to provide subsidies to user fertilizer and high yielding varieties and pesticides. So this is it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to join our courses, then please contact to the number that is given in the description section. We are providing courses for UPSC, OPSC, and other civil service exams. Along with that, we are providing courses for your SSC and other exams where they are asking questions from your GS and English, mathematics, and reasoning. So if you are interested, then please contact to the number provided in the description section. Thank you for attending this video. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.